So hello everyone, this is Coding with Ojas. Today we are going to be making a simple rock paper scissors game. Again, this won't have any fancy buttons. This will be an idea for next video. Right now we are just going to work with CLI application. So let's get started. So for this tutorial, I will be using VS Code, meaning Visual Studio Code, and and also make and also please install these extensions, uh, not these ones but these python please install this python extensions. It is very important. It will You can find it by searching over here, python python. It is right now searching here. This first link here is the python module. You must get this. So this is using this module only we will be able to make our program. If you are using PyCharm or any other editor other than VS Code, then it's not needed. Then, or you must install Python, but it's the extension is not needed if you are using PyCharm or any other editor. Okay, so let's start with our program. We are going to import our random module. IMPORT import random. Now, why are we importing the random module? Is so that for the computer's choice. The computer will choose between 1 and 3, and if he chooses 1, he be using rock, or 2 for paper, 3 for scissors, like that. So I'm just going for the computer, I will be making a dictionary for the choices. So like let the dictionary will be choices. Choices. It will equal to, and dictionary one will be rock. Two will be paper. Please add inverted commas. I mistakenly almost forgot. Okay. And three will be scissors. Scissors. Okay. Now this is the choices for our robot. Sorry, not robot, some computer bot. Now we are going to make a while loop in which the player will be able to play repeated times, or he or she will be able to play as many times as she wants. We are going to add a quit function for them. While we are true, this will run infinitely until it is broken by a break keyword. So we are going to make our player's choice. Player choice. Oh, I see. Choice. This will equal to an input function. Input. Oops, forgot to. Yes. Input. We are going to type here. We type rock. Rock. Paper. On scissor. Scissor. We are also going to give them an opportunity for writing something else, or type quit to quit. Here we are going to cover this with double inverted commas so that they will understand that you only have to write quit. Okay, now this will be our player's choice, and what we can do is actually we can turn this into dot lower. So what this will do is actually turn all of turn the player choice into the lower case, because because Python is a case sensitive language. So if we type something like rock, then this will be an uppercase, and we will be using if statements for lowercase. So to actually fix this problem, we are adding dot lower. Okay, now we are going to get our computer choice. C-U-T-E, computer, oops, computer choice, choice, and this will equal to computer choice is equal to choices dot get. This method of for dictionaries is actually used so that we can get the values of the keys. So like if we do get one, it will give us rock. If we write here two, it will give us paper. So this is how the choices dot get method also works. So we will type here rand or random dot randint. Here we are going to type 1 and then 3. So this will choose between 1 and 3, including 1 and 3. So then if it chooses 1, then that will mean rock, 2 means paper, 3 means scissors. This is our computer bot. So now we are also going to add an if statement. Let's say our player just added some wrong value. Let's say they added pizza. So this if statement will check for that. So if player choice is not equal to rock rock and player choice is not equal to it is not equal to paper and player choice is not equal to scissor scissor. No, I forgot to add inverted comma. And also sometimes the player might write scissor. So to protect from that too, we are going to add and player choice is not equal to oops, to to scissors. And also if the player types quit, this message will be displayed. So it will quit and this message will be displayed with what will be under. So to protect from that too, and player choice is not equal to QUIT quit. So then we will print. Okay, print I N INVALID invalid value. Yes, please. Control C, please. Yes, this now C. Now after this we are also going to add this continue keyword. Actually, no need. We are not going to add that. So now we are going to check if the player is actually same as the computer's choice. Player's choice is same as computer choice. So elif player choice is same as computer choice, then we are going to print our computer choice and print you 1. Now this is a string. We are now going. Actually, why am I adding u1? You don't add u1. Add u draw. It is a draw. Draw. So now this is our this this is for if the player choice is same as computer choice. Let's start with the other. Elif, we are going to just copy this. Control C, Control V. This will be not equal. There's an extra space over here. Now in this we will add our all the variations of rock paper scissors. If the player put rock and the computer choose scissor, well the rock ones like that. So we are going to start with the win section, which means that when the player wins, so if player choice is equal to rock, let's start with rock. Oh, what? How did this happen? I never knew that. Okay, rock and computer choice is equal to PAP. Oh, now okay, now it didn't happen. So I thought without adding inverted comma, it would show that again that paper thing, but no. Actually, nothing. No, no, that's a stupid idea. Okay, this is now. Let's take it. Okay, this would be scissor. scissor. I just choose some random thing. Okay. Mm, If player choice is equal to rock and computer choice is equal to scissor, then rock wins. So we are going to print our computer choice and print by OU use 1. Now this is our if the player wins section still going on. We are going to copy this so that we could paste it in other places. Control C. Now LA player choice is equal to paper. Oh, okay. Paper and computer choice is equal to scissor. Oh wait, yes, yes, okay, no, no. Paper, rock, yes. So then the player will win. So we are going to copy this and paste this. LA player choice is equal to CISSOR scissor. Now, if the player puts scissors with S, so what we will do, we will actually check if for that too. So we are going to do this or layer player choice is equal to SCI scissor. Now this is scissor and this is scissor. Okay, now we are going to and computer choice is equal to paper. Control V. So this is our now the winning section ends, meaning the player will win every time. Now the losing section comes. So LA player choice is equal to something like okay, if the player chooses rock and computer choice is equal to paper. Now if for this, if the player choice will be then the computer will win. So we have to we will just take this and LOSE law. Now I'm going to copy this because this is the one we would have to do for now because this is the losing section. Elif player choice is equal to paper and computer choice is equal to. I don't understand how does that work. Oops, no, no. If player's choice is equal to paper and computer choice is scissor. Now for this, I'm not adding separate scissors because oops. Yeah, I'm not adding separate scissors for computer choice because anyways it is taking from the values from here and here it is written scissors, so it's not needed to like write write or scissors or something like that. So now we will oops, and boom control V press. LA player choice is equal to scissor, but this time the player choice. It is the player choice which is being edited. So to fix that, we are going to do player. Let's see. Oops, we forgot to add or player choice is equal to scissors and computer choice is equal to and if computer choice is equal to rock. Now this will be our last yes, this will be our last statement and then we are done. Now we will just print this and done. Now but now we if we run our program control alt enter, we are going to run like this. I always run like this. Now we are going to type rock paper. Oh, okay, now I lost. So now paper scissors scissors. I typed scissors this time. Now I will type scissor scissors paper. Okay, again I won. Now what? Now if I type something paper again, yep, it works. Quite addictive. But now there is a problem that if the player wants to quit, how will he quit? I mean, for you, you might be thinking that it is he can just type quit. He just click this button. But if the player clicks that button, then the game it can get corrupted. So instead, we are going to give a player an option to quit by making another elif statement. Elif, oops, player choice is equal to you quit break. Now this will break out of the while loop and also being a good citizen. I'm just going to write print. Why am I telling citizen? Who cares? Print good goodbye. And now the problem there's also one more problem with this print goodbye thing. So I will show you by here my file. First save this file and then I will go to my Python file which I saved. If I click this and type quit, it will instantly quit. The player wouldn't be able to see the goodbye. The goodbye message actually was shown. It's just that it was so quick that the player couldn't see. So to fix that problem, we are going to import time. Now this time module what we can do with this time module is we can add time dot sleep. We are going to make this program sleep for 2 seconds so that at least the player could see the goodbye message. Now, if we save this, control F, and type quit, it says goodbye, and after 2 seconds, it goes away. So at least now the player is getting time to see the message. So well, this is a full rock paper scissors program. I'll be making a rock paper scissors program using Enter with fancy buttons and everything. But that's a thing for next video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.